Stock number 40819G. It's a 2013 Audi Q5. It does have a key. There's no power. The battery's dead. Dent down there in the door, dent right there, paint problem. Rear bumper's no good, rear deck lid's no good. This quarter panel's got a little parking lot ding. This door. Got some, like a bend down there. Could be from the dirt, it's hard to tell. It does have a key. Battery's dead. Switch automatic. Seatbelt's good. It does have a sunroof. Seatbelt's locked. Seatbelt's locked as well. Seatbelt's locked as well. Does not have third row seating. Seatbelt's locked. Stock number 40819G. It's 2012 Audi Q5. It does have a key, it does not start.